Why do girls ignore you? It's one of the most frustrating, confusing, and let's be honest, soul-crushing experiences a guy can go through. You muster up the courage. You make your move, and then nothing. No reply. Just silence. Or worse, she's polite but distant, like you're invisible with a name tag. But here's the truth. Most guys are playing the wrong game. They think attraction is about flashy compliments, chasing her down, or trying to prove you're good enough. But psychology and real-world behavior tell a different story. In fact, studies in evolutionary psychology and interpersonal dynamics show that women respond not to effort in the traditional sense, but to emotional resonance, confidence communicated through behavior, not words and subtle social proof. So if she's ignoring you, it's not necessarily that you're not attractive. It might be that your signals aren't coming through clearly, or worse, they're triggering red flags. Let me take you back. A friend of mine, let's call him Dan, was always the nice guy. Funny, respectful, emotionally intelligent, but constantly ignored. I told him something counterintuitive. Stop trying so hard. Start living like your attention is a scarce resource. And it changed everything. Within weeks, women who once ghosted him were initiating conversations. Why? Because when a man signals self-worth through non-neediness, by valuing his time, having a mission, and not emotionally overinvesting too early, he becomes magnetic. Here's where it gets real. Ignoring is often not about dislike. It's about perceived imbalance. If you come off like you're trying to win her, she feels pressure. Attraction can't grow in pressure. It grows in space. This is where most guys crash. They overcommunicate, overexplain, overshare, thinking they're being transparent. But in dating psychology, that's called a value leak. You're trying to prove yourself rather than being yourself. And that energy is felt. Here's a fix that actually works. Instead of focusing on her reactions, focus on your own emotional state. Are you centered? Are you acting from a place of confidence or from anxiety? Because women don't just hear your words, they feel your vibe. Emotional intelligence isn't about sensitivity. It's about self-regulation. When you speak less and mean more, when you walk away when respect isn't mutual, that's strength. And strength is attractive. If you're getting ignored, try this. Pull back. Not in a passive-aggressive way, but from a place of peace. Let her feel your absence. Give her the gift of missing you. This isn't manipulation, it's recalibration. And here's the psychological truth behind it. Scarcity drives value. If you're always available, you signal low social demand. But when you're purpose-driven, socially connected, and selective with your attention, you activate a deep-rooted psychological trigger known as pre-selection. She starts wondering, asterisk, why is this guy not chasing? What's different about him? Asterisk, that curiosity is your ally. And speaking of curiosity, if this is already hitting home, pause for a second and hit that like button. If you're serious about upgrading your dating life, consider subscribing, because what we're about to get into next is where it gets advanced. Let's talk patterns. Most guys are trapped in a reactive loop. They get ignored, they panic, and they double down. More texts, more just checking in messages. But that doesn't get you seen. It gets you filed under overeager. Instead, shift the frame. Stop making her the prize. Start treating your life like you're the center of gravity. Not in an arrogant way, but in a quietly confident way. Have passions that light you up. Build a social circle where women aren't exotic, they're normal. Create a lifestyle where your self-esteem doesn't hinge on her reply. Why? Because when she feels that you're already fulfilled, she doesn't feel the burden of completing you. That's liberating and wildly attractive. There's also something deeper here. Most guys fear being ignored because they associate it with rejection of self. But emotionally secure men know this. It's not always about you. Maybe she's got unresolved baggage. Maybe your energy clashed. Maybe your timing was off. Attraction isn't a moral judgment. It's chemistry. And the best thing you can do is refine your vibe, not chase validation. So if girls are ignoring you, take it as feedback, not failure. Use it as a mirror. Are you living in alignment with who you truly are? Or are you bending yourself into what you think women want? Because authenticity, even if it polarizes, is more powerful than approval seeking. In fact, the most magnetic men are the ones who risk being disliked for the sake of being real. And that's the paradox. The less you try to be liked, the more you actually are. So next time you feel ignored, don't spiral. Elevate. Upgrade your mindset. Reclaim your focus. Because when you stop chasing and start attracting, you stop being just another option and become the one she wonders about long after the conversation ends.